Yawahana, yeah, a see a Nketis.
Yeah.
Mahama Numina. Etu ya hose ye call London. You free wa, ubi so beba ne yere ho, ubi so beba say, na muntie, MPP for amwa, mun share page na muntie. NDC 4 has a plan. Okay? Election ya omobekwe. They know they are going to lose. And for that, they are employing every tactics, physically, spiritually, technologically, whatever they can do. Now, maybe start here, mamu clues be. He was telling you about how he can reach out to their international counterparts. He mentioned Cuba because NDC regimes, yes. Rawlings, no, they dealt with Cuba. That was their style. So he will solicit those people, solicit Russia, solicit these people now. Sebi. Young woman said they are a threat to democracy. No, those are the people that the Democratic Party in Ghana is going to solicit to come and help them. Now, more MPP from Penny for me say more. Mweni baba mo hoso mutie. Mweni baba mo hoso no na some of you no. Ya ye muti se sebi mo franche me nantwie. Wode na ho brase saa na ye de second ato ne mene kwen. Na ye twa ne mene. Hwe? Esiedu Nketis is not somebody you can play with or trust. Oka kire yen se oba Canada. Meboa. Some of us say bibia said e be ye janko be wuremu a anka information ni intel be dey ebeba. Information enya in copy India. Now, you people shouldn't take this a social media talk. Mr. Chairman in team, Justin Kodia lawyer, my boss, MPP for, and see I don't get here India no call and mamu taking the say a talk. Honorable Kandapa, national security for EC. The security apparatus of EC has to be protected at this very moment. Muntie niye. Efri neko. EC mo server. EC mo bibia mo di ye adwuma bia no mombo ho eban bo a mombo ho de epke mamo fa nyagro. You people shouldn't think don't get here in India it's just for show. Because hackers do happen. We saw what happened in the US election, the one that brought Donald Trump. We saw what the Russians did to the service of Americans with electoral with agencies. Modi amon fan say Felix na bet na all can be. Mun fa the American serious pa. Lawyer Justin Kodia from Paul, rise. You are a young man. Let your IT people start beefing up all our servers for election. Be ready. Because the India no anyone okoto will I'm telling you people this is not a joke. No, nobody should take this as a joke. These people have a plan. I'm not even reading too much of any comment or whatsoever. I want to stay focused because I'm penny for no mutie. Mama Babs, I know you are watching. Thank you so much for joining me. I wanted you to even call in today, but unfortunately, I can't find my phone.
I know.
When at Tamil State. Today, the same NPP strategy I use yeah. Emma Sebe, to me, we are doing the same thing with the same blueprint.
No, we can't do that, man. We can't repeat the same thing again. No.
Chairman, and then microphone here, Dr. Anna microphone here, Pastor Sim microphone here, and an Ekufa microphone here, Alan Tremantin microphone here, yeah. Now we have to do who's the poor and our crowd by no, your ministry was this. Now NDC they repeated the same thing until your team and you know your with all the work President before did. Chairman, today we are here again, Ghana for. Why wouldn't Mahama say you're short memory people? Odika. Chairman, the same thing yeah, 2008. The same gurus, party gurus. When did you come? Ebrane ye campaign na do no na wo he na ye did say or ye campaign san kanana do ba ye chairman and ko benya baby a show and ye development for the constituency. It's regardless of the anana do ye ni na no so far as they are no pa memu ne de or beton the party out to the party as a bass na say na me na ya na me bisa say chairman omo ye sa de no ho honorable for no omo ye sa de no say yamfa ne say yakoto aba nyehwe I know ba umia win ba yamfa ne say ba umia wini Alan e wini and I say Kennedy Japan e wini. Are they now gonna come and tell us say did the attempt a true propaganda omudi guba umia so say ye di be gu nanimu ase na onya chance ni na no afei omo be pepe ni na say ye hia ba umia so be bibi man ya na moma ye hwe ni ye MPP for na sa picture ya ye hwe ye hu ne da MPP for any die mu ara gurusu mo kabi obi nkabi party mo eja mo na party no mo de ba ye yo yate but you needed young bloods to sustain the party. How many of you come to rallies these days? Some of you said you konwa mu kura mu ntiment na na so na presidential ba ye ntino mo betina o say ya meto mo so aba. Some of you have been building your portfolio for how long? But because some attitude of always saying negativity about your own party, you end up not having anything to run on. Chairman, I asked the question the last time, and I'll ask it here again. Why would somebody vote for MPP? Because the human anado any baumiaye and I'm
yes.
It is a flag bearer and a or come main election now one record no de record no de and the record ne day he was the Minister of Trade and no and on the record or they call. It's a collective thing.
Of course.
It is a collective thing. In any way. Trade ministry, Benyeska, yeah, on project here, on person, and yeah, ministry be, and a copy scaba, normally, yeah. So, road minister, person, you road that, and your ministry be a copy scan near the road.
Yeah.
So why are we doing this to ourselves? Now, Yankasa MPP for ye 2 year wagum, say said ye be about me abe piano, ye perceive a coin be at the dancing. Chairman, first I gold for oil, not one, Namin Trevadi, Namin Fembian Crop will be any CCR.
All right, hold on.
But no, mammy, that's the first thing I want to start with. Now, Mama Shadi, yes, do any to the or shut up the shows and then they no correct. The MP before ni been NDC for now can't be any Dr. Baumia needs to lead this country. Okay? I was so shocked today on some platform for somebody to say, Dr. Baumia governor no Panye Jumebia Nana Obodin bi ono na ye Joanna Miss Monkasa no Monte Amembuase Minister Nankasa anyway deputy minister one year Juma. Because when a field guy, operation guy, I will call, who deputy no, who na day to day, no, yeah, minister no, you borrow, yeah, the BBA, yeah, BBA, one yes, minister, super science over this and see the other bed, would the bay, Jumani, the own fine Juma. And so, no, because say, yes, dear, na yen, yeah, see, we would always fall a victim